Honey.
Hi, sweetie. Are you going to pull yourself up? Taylor.
Oh. Who's that?
You
Taylor?
can do it. Oh, good job. Good job.
What are you doing?
Look what you did. Did you just learn how to do that? Good job, sweetie. Good job. Yay. Gonna be walking next by yourself. Yeah. Good job.
Watch your head.